Adding Uber income in tax return, well, simple is pretty easy thing to do. Today we will talk about how you guys can add Uber income in tax return, well, simple. All the process for that is pretty simple. You just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, log into Wealthsimple by going to my.wealthsimple.com. Once you're logged in, you just have to go to tax documents section. Now in the tax documents section, you just have to download the tax forms. Try to find the T4As. Once you have that, you just have to collect your Uber income records from Uber driver app, or you can download the statements as well. Now, log into TurboTax or your chosen software. Once you have that, you just have to start your tax return process by entering your personal information. Now, after entering the personal information in the income section, you will be able to see an option for self-employment. Now, you just have to search for self-employment. In the self-employment income, enter your Uber earnings. Once you do that, you just have to follow the software prompts to complete your tax return. Review your return for accuracy and file it through the software. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.